What if I told you? The biggest reason you're not getting ahead financially isn't bad luck, low income, or the economy, but a few small mistakes you repeat every single day without even noticing. Have you ever wondered why some people earn a decent amount yet still feel stuck, while others slowly build stability and control? Imagine a wolf in the wild who hunts every day and manages to get meat regularly, yet somehow he's always hungry, always tired, always behind. It doesn't make sense at first, until you look closer. Every time he gets meat, he rushes to consume it all at once, wasting parts, ignoring the future, and never thinking beyond the moment. He doesn't protect what he has, doesn't plan his next move, and keeps chasing quick wins instead of building strength. That's exactly how most people treat money. They earn and immediately spend. They react to desires instead of making decisions. They ignore small leaks, subscriptions, impulsive buys, unnecessary upgrades, thinking they don't matter. But over time, those tiny mistakes stack up into something massive. Another mistake? Waiting for the perfect time to start saving or investing. Just like the wolf who waits too long to hunt again, thinking he'll find a better opportunity later, but ends up weaker and more desperate. And then there's the mindset. Mistake. Believing that more income alone will fix everything. But without control, more money just means bigger mistakes. The truth is harsh but simple. It's not what you earn. It's what you keep, protect, and grow. And if you don't fix these patterns early, they silently shape your future in ways you won't like. The scariest part? Most people never realize these mistakes are the real problem. They keep blaming outside factors, while repeating the same cycle every day. Now imagine a different wolf, one who doesn't just hunt but thinks. When he gets meat, he doesn't rush. He divides it, protects it, and uses it with purpose. He understands that survival isn't about one successful hunt, but about consistency and control. That's the shift you need to make. Avoiding money mistakes isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware. Start with the basics. Stop spending without thinking. Track where your money actually goes, and cut the habits that drain you slowly. Learn to delay gratification, because the wolf who eats everything today suffers tomorrow, but the one who plans builds strength over time. Replace reaction with intention. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" start asking, "Does this help me grow?" Another powerful shift is consistency. Small, smart actions repeated daily will always beat random big moves. You don't need to be rich to start, you need to be disciplined. And once you build that discipline, everything changes. You stop feeling out of control. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You start building confidence, clarity, and direction. The world won't suddenly become easier, but you will become smarter within it. So the real question is, are you going to keep making the same silent mistakes that hold you back? Or are you ready to take control and move forward with purpose? Because financial growth isn't about luck, it's about awareness and action. And if this opened your eyes even a little, then don't ignore it. Start changing today and follow Wolf Money for simple lessons that actually make you stronger with money.